Guys, welcome to Shkodër. This bus dropped me off here from... It's good? No? I was filming the bus. Okay, police tells me to stop filming. Well, one guy was waving and the other one was telling me to stop filming. So Jenga just came here with this bus from Durrës, the second biggest city in Albania. It was about a 2-hour drive and it cost 600 lek, which is about €6. And as anywhere in Albania here, the weather is amazing. We can see a beautiful building here. We have the fountain and the flag. And now we're going to look for our hotel. It should be just a 5-minute walk, not too far. I think this city is pretty walkable. It's the 5th biggest city in Albania with about 130,000 citizens, and it's the main city in the north of the country. So these are my first impressions here. We're passing by the local mosque. I think this is one of the main streets in the center of Shkodër, and basically it also serves as a bus station, so all the buses are just coming here on the side of the road to all kind of destinations in Albania and even in Montenegro, because Montenegro is not that far from here. It's about 4 p.m. in the afternoon, and wow, this looks like a pedestrian area. It looks very nice. I was just about to say that it's pretty empty here, but I guess that after the bigger cities in Albania, it's just a much less busy experience to be in one of these smaller cities here. What I really appreciate here in Albania is most of these beautiful boulevards actually always have these trees lined up, so you can have a proper amount of shadow when walking in the blasting sun here. It also feels pretty nice. Look how fancy this place is. We have a nice wide sidewalk to walk on. This is a nice car, but that's also a thing in Albania. They're often parked everywhere, and as a pedestrian you just have to walk around it.
What, you are doing a YouTube video?
Yes, my friend.
Can I show the video?
Hello.
Hello. What is your YouTube channel?
Maarten Travels. Maarten Travels.
Maarten Travels.
Some guys are going to watch this video, hopefully. If you see yourself, write it in the comments so I can get back to you. And I think my hotel should be in this street. No, it's probably the next one. Wow, look at this. We have the little shops here. We have the women sitting outside. It definitely looks very Italian. Organizing the plants here. Wow, I like the vibe of this city already. And suddenly it's much more busy as well, on the street and also on the sidewalk. I am now looking for my hotel. It's called Petit Hotel Elisa, which is quite an interesting name for a hotel in Albania. It should be in this street. Maybe it's this building. It looks pretty nice. And from the pictures online, it also looks pretty modern. So I'll show you guys what you get for €40 here in Shkodër, Albania. Here it is, guys. Petit Hotel Elisa. It doesn't look that petite at all. I guess this is the entrance here. Oh yes. Ooh. Wow. Hello.
Hello.
I have a booking here.
You have even the Wi-Fi here.
Oh,
if you need
okay.
to scan it. And the breakfast, if you want to add it, is €6 for one person.
Okay, can I decide in the morning?
Yes, no problem.
Cool. Thank you.
Here.
Thank you so much.
This is the key of the room.
Oh, thank
and
you.
room is here, second floor.
Up here?
Yeah, up here, yeah.
Thank you.
Nothing.
We have room 214. Oh, first room here. Wow. Switch on the light here. Look at that, guys. This is fancy. Hey, still with my backpack on the back. Ooh, it's all new. I like charming hotels, but I also like it when you have like a brand new hotel. Not the biggest room, but it looks really nice. This is the view. Okay. Well, there are a lot of bicycles down here. Very quiet, even with the window open. Not a lot of noise. That's good for sleeping. And there's a mosquito net, so we can even leave it open in the evening. Ooh. Looks even better with the lights on. And we have some art here as well. Guess this door is closed here, but yeah, it's probably leading to another room. Wow, pretty interesting to just have the room here. Like up the stairs, straight to the reception, straight to the entrance. So yeah, that's what you get for €40 a night, really in the heart, in the center of Shkodër. Hello guys, good morning. We're still here in Shkodër. I had a good night of sleep and we are walking in this beautiful calm street, although we have a car passing by now. But besides that, this is a very beautiful, very calm street. There are many people cycling even. I haven't seen that in Albania before. Have some local shops here. These are mainly second-hand clothes. There are a lot of nice little bars around. The man here is selling his vegetables from the garden. Here as well, we have the vegetables. We have a local little bakery selling baklava and burek, which is some kind of pastry with cheese or spinach in it. And besides that, we have a lot of hipster bars here where people come to have a drink, and it's quite early, but it's already very busy. There's so many people cycling here. They say that this city is the cycling capital of Albania, and people are really cycling everywhere here. All around me I can see people on their bicycles. It's crazy. I would have never expected this in Albania. And with that I don't mean anything bad. I just think there are a lot of cars here, and still in this city there are. For example, we're gonna go in this pedestrianized area now, and it's super nice. Alright guys, we are arriving here at the pedestrian area I was just talking about. Let me show you guys. Plenty of cafes here, and it's all full of people. And it's not like a holiday or the weekend, it's a regular weekday. I think it's a mix of locals and tourists. It's hard to say. I did see a lot of tourists here, mainly backpackers. I think this is like the starting city to go into the mountains here in the north of Albania. And if we move here to the left side of the pedestrian area, we also have a beautiful view on the mosque here in Shkodër. Look at that view, guys. I think you can compare it with the view in Turkey. Albania is mainly a Muslim country, although it's like a mix of religions, but doesn't seem to be very strict. Of course, it's a personal thing. And there are a lot of street dogs everywhere here, but always very calm, very nice. Doesn't feel dangerous at all. I had quite some people saying they recognize me from YouTube here in Albania, but I haven't posted anything from Albania yet, so or they saw some of my other videos, or they're just confusing me with someone else. Look at this. We have the beautiful dog and the elderly sitting on the side of the road just talking. Seriously guys, am I in the Netherlands or am I in Albania? It's full of cyclists here. I've never would have expected that from Albania. And there are bikes everywhere. They're parked at the shop. People are cycling here. This street here looks like a normal shopping street as you would see in Italy or Spain. But there are also like this more still old school local shops, like repair shops. It's an interesting mix of modern shops and the old school handcrafts. Like this one, Riparim Kepuches, is making the shoes apparently. Hello. What I like here in Albania is all the green in the city. You have all the trees and you have all these little parks with a lot of benches for people to sit on. Some people are even playing some games. Let's have a look. Hello.
Really?
It's okay?
Yeah.
What are you playing? What is the game?
Domino.
Domino. Oh. You come here every day playing? These are your friends?
Right.
Wow. Are you drink a beer with it or no? Or in the evening?
No.
No? Wow, it's nice. Thank you. Thank you. They're playing domino. This street is the main street crossing the city from north to south, and you see they have a very nice cycling lane here. It's also very well used. We are out of the center of Shkodër now, and we are at another of these typical pedestrianized areas. Super nice here. People are cycling, people are walking. We have a lot of really nice restaurants here. People are transporting all their goods on the bicycle. Here we can see the bicycles, but also a lot of pigeons. I guess these pigeons are used for pigeon games, pigeon races. I don't know how it's called. And I guess this is like the pigeon guys cafe. Like the owners of the pigeons are probably like drinking there, and then their pigeons are here. I don't know much about pigeon racing, but I guess they're just waiting here on the day of the race to see when their pigeon arrives back here. We also have some second-hand clothing market here. It says art gallery. I don't think it's an art gallery anymore. We are arriving at the Buna River here, which is a quite small river. It just goes from the Shkodër Lake, which is on the border between Montenegro and Albania. It just goes to the Mediterranean. I think it's less than 50 kilometers. And there's a very nice pedestrian and cycling bridge here, crossing the river from one side to the other side, where we can see a little mosque and some kind of town. There's a church as well on top of the rock. I'm walking on the bridge now. It's very nice. Let's cross to the other side where we can see the minaret of the mosque. And here, this side, we can also see the mountains behind the city of Shkodër. These are called the Albanian Alps. And the other side, the river is going to the Mediterranean. Almost crossed the bridge here, and we are arriving in the little town. Suddenly it's very quiet. No one on the bridge anymore, just a few fishermen there. Although there are a few cyclists coming in now. Hello. Wow, this town looks really quiet. very different from the Shkodër city. Hello. Hello. Football? Play football? Up. Whoa. Oh. Hoppa. Oh. Frick. Ooh. Messy. Okay, I go. Thank you. Bye, my friend. Behind me you can see Rozafa Castle, which is the main castle here in Shkodër. I'm walking back to the center now. I'm gonna end the video here. It was very nice, short time exploring here in the second largest city of Albania, Shkodër, the main city in the north. We just walked a bit through the center. I showed you guys a hotel which is really good, located really in the heart of Shkodër. I hope you enjoyed this little video. I have to go now because I have to get to Montenegro. I have no idea how yet. I don't think there are any buses anymore, so I might have to hitchhike, but that's for the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe. If you have some questions about traveling in Albania, or more specifically coming to Shkodër, write them in the comments and I will answer all of your questions. Thank you guys and see you for the next video. Ciao.